Longchen Nyingtik Meditation. Part 3. Sufferings of Samsara. Meditation 24. The suffering of the 8 hot hells. Please read Kempo's instruction first. Refuge prayer. Residing in the sky, filling the whole of vastness, are the Lama Idan deities and Dakinis, Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha of sublime beings. Devotedly, sentient beings of the 6 realms, and I take refuge in you. Aspiration prayer. The infinity of sentient beings and I have been Buddhas from the very beginning. Having realized such fundamental nature, I generate supreme bodhicitta. Meditate on the sufferings of the 8 hot hells. In a reviving hell, amid the burning fires on meadow ground, beings perceive one another as mortal enemies. And fight among themselves to death with phantom weapons created by their karma. And then a voice from the sky says, "Revive." The slain ones immediately come back to life. And the fighting and killing start all over again. They have to die and revive continuously until their karma is exhausted. In Black Line Hell, Yama's henchmen with fearing saws cut up beams following the black line drawn on the bodies. As soon as the bodies are slashed into pieces, they are joined together and become whole again. Only to be hacked apart once more. These hell beings suffer excruciating pain with no hope to escape or die from millions of years. In running up and crushing hell, beings are thrown into a valley between two mountains, shaped like the head of the animals they have previously killed. The mountains butt against each other, and all the hell beings are pulverized to death. Then, once more, as the mountains separate, they revive only to be crushed again. In the howling hell, beings suffer by getting boiled in molten iron. They scream and cry loudly from their dreadful torment. In the great hole in hell, beings are driven into metal sheds with double walls. They are roasted in a blazing fire and smashed by Yama's henchmen with blazing hammers. In a heating hell, victims are stewed in boiling molten iron. Fire burns inside their bellies, causing them horrendous pain. In an intense heating hell, beans are cooked in raging fires in a metal house. Yama's henchmen impale them with a trident through their two shoulders and head. And bundle up their bodies in sheets of flaming metal. The hell of ultimate torment is an iron room of storming fire surrounded by the 16 neighboring hells. Here, beings are subjected to all the agonies of the previous 7 hells. Fierce fire engulfs them. Making their bodies indistinguishable from the flames. And only their wailing sounds indicate their presence. In sum, these 8 heart hells are not fantasies. Countless beings are actually being tormented by unimaginable suffering right at this moment. Therefore, resolve. Since I have committed many kinds of evil actions before, in all probability, I will fall into these hells after I die. I must diligently engage in spiritual practice. And wish never ever to be born there. Dedication prayer. Through this goodness, may omniscient Buddhahood be attained, and thereby may every enemy, mental defilement be overcome. May beings be liberated from the ocean of samsara that is troubled by waves of birth, old age, sickness, and death.